Okay, so Suraj, let me just get your DAF. So okay, so we'll start with the same old question that I've been asking with many people. Many people. So we'll just describe yourself or will tell us about yourself a bit.
Okay, sir. So my full name is Suraj Singh, and I am born and brought up in Agra in a farmer family, and uh, and I did my kind of schooling in Agra only from Bal Bharati Vidyapit School. After completing my 10th class, I moved to Navi Mumbai, Vashi. There I did my higher secondary education from Modern College, Vashi. And while during that period, I also prepared for the entrance exams, engineering entrance exams like JEE and interview. And but unfortunately, I couldn't able to crack it. So I took a drop and I prepared again. And this time I able to make it. And I got the admission in VNIT Nagpur in metallurgical and material science, material engineering. Uh, uh, and after completing my BTech degree from VNIT, I prepared for GATE exam to get a job in a PSU. But I scored well, but not enough well to get a job in a PSU. So while preparing for exam, and I got a offer from for a firm named Permanent Magnet Limited. I worked there as a metallurgical engineer, and while working as a metallurgical engineer, I got additional responsibilities to work as a first assistant to quality head, and later I got the opportunity to work as a management representative also. After almost working for a 2 year, I changed the job for looking better opportunities, and I joined another firm named MNS Solar and Power. There I worked as a the quality engineer and development engineer. And while working there, I upgrade.
Okay. So what does your second company do?
Basically, they install and they provide service for the solar panels.
Solar panels. So can you describe or tell us about about this industry, solar industry, solar energy industry?
So basically, my role was to check
So no,
the.
I was not asking about your role. I was just asking, can you tell us about the solar energy or solar distribution or solar industry for India? What is its status right now?
Actually, we are moving towards to work on the sustainable development goals, which in that the clean energy is one of the goal, and we are working towards it. But still, there is need to work on it. India, I don't have exact data about how much energy we produce as a solar energy, solar electric energy. But yeah, I think we need to work on it and to improve or to improve our capacity building for electric energy, which is produced by solar energy.
Okay, tell us what are the challenges in creating and having solar energy as our uh, source of electricity.
Yeah, basically, so for solar energy, we need to do first of all the survey. We need to check the amount of sun rays or amount the intensity or flux of the sun rays to install solar panels before that. And the main challenge is in India is the installation cost and the and we have to renew, we have to recycle the batteries, that take cost, and the initial cost is quite high. So that's why nobody, lots of people, you have lots of company don't want to invest their money in that, because it takes time to recover that money. The return of investment duration is quite high.
Okay, so what is the unit of flux? The thing that you told that we measure flux.
Flux actually is the amount of anything passes through certain area. Like I want to I want to calculate the flux of flowing water. So I need to calculate the force and that particular.
I was just asking what is the unit
I
measurement
don't
unit of flux?
I don't remember actually.
You don't remember.
So I
So,
thought I can explain.
uh, so how much revenue your company had at that time when you were working there?
Yeah, it was a new firm. So initially the revenue was around 30 to 40 lakhs. So because it's still growing, and now at present we have crossed 80 lakhs barrier benchmarks, and we are looking forward to cross.
So being in the renewable energy sector, what advantages that you get from government, or
Yeah, government.
what
Okay.
facility and services that you get from government?
Yeah. Yes. I don't know much about it, but yeah, government provides subsidies for whoever wants to install solar panels, and the company also which provide these kind of facilities, like procuring the raw material, procurement of the raw material, and the basic components which is required, like solar panels, because India don't produce solar panels as such, because we import it from China or other companies. Uh, and so government provides subsidies on it,
So,
and
let me ask another question. Why we don't go for manufacturing the panel? Why, since our requirement is too big, our country is too big, so we can implement or install lot many solar panels here only. So why we haven't been able to manufacture the solar panel in India?
because it requires experience and expertise, which India have expertise, but don't we don't have experience, and the and the and why China is able to produce, because they can produce, they can provide a uh, cheap amount of, they can provide the solar panels at a cheap rate. But for that, India cannot compete to China. So that's why we are not able to enlarge it at the scale of India, at the scale of China is producing, because there is a competition, and there is
No, so the question still lies here. Why the production in China is cheap, and why we are not able to make our production, we are manufacturing that low cost, on that low cost.
I believe one of the reasons could be the arrival of industrialization in China, which happened earlier than India. So India missed that. You can say they missed that bus. So we are lagging behind in industrial sector. That's why we are not at good at producing these kind of facilities, or you can say uh, facilities at a cheaper rate.
Okay. So, I'll be asking you about your previous job experience, where you had multiple roles. So, what was the company all about?
Company basically produce hard magnets and soft magnets. Then soft magnet basically used in sensors like electricity sensor, gas sensors, and healthcare devices. And the hard magnet is used in generators, and like large object puller, puller, like we have in at ports when we carry the cargoes from one place to another place. So we that company produce both soft magnets and hard magnets.
So what was the revenue of that company?
I think uh, at the division I worked is crossed 40 crores, and the division, the main head of this is around, I think, same 50 to 60 crore. So overall is some around 80 to 90 crore.
So how many employees were there in that company?
Like you are talking about both the division, right?
Total number.
Maybe more than two to 3,000.
2 to
3,000.
3,000.
I'm considering both engineers, supervisors,
Okay.
and the skilled workers.
So can you estimate what was the total salary they used to uh, dispose every month?
Sorry, I didn't get the.
What would, can you estimate the total salary of that company they used to give all of their employees collectively?
Hardly 10 to 20 crores. I don't know. I'm not able to estimate. Maybe to 20 to 30 crores.
So if you're given a chance, I'm asking you to estimate. So estimate the total.
Because
Take your
there is,
time. See,
yeah,
take 1 minute time and estimate the salary that they used to dispose and they used to give dispersed every month.
I think 10 to 20 crores, because
10
we
to
have
20 crores every month,
like annual per annum
annually. 10 to 20 crores. Okay. And can you tell what were their other expenses
of company.
of company?
Uh,
Major expenses for raw materials or
yeah, raw materials, and then the other resources they use like electricity, water, and
just give me matlab, lump sum estimate. Matlab, you can just
of
get
of of that amount. It would be around 40 to 45 crores, maybe more than that.
okay.
At least 40 to 45 crores.
So tell us your experiences about your divisions where you have worked. So have you ever worked in a team, or you are the sole responsible for one particular activity?
Initially, I worked alone, like I was assigned as a process control engineer, but after just 3 to 4 months, I given the opportunity to assist the quality head, and after that, I did that department also with a team of 6 members, and we worked on various changes, various things. We bring down various changes like improvement in the process, and bring down the rejection level, and we also eliminated the some processes which are not necessary, or we that
Okay, so I was not asking that. I'm just asking you. So when you work in a team, what are the main challenges that you face?
first of all you have to bring each and every member in a sync, on a same on a same platform. Like if there is a gap in between you and your team members, then there will be a gap in, also a gap in results also. So first of all you have to work on your communication, and then make them in sync, and then you have to motivate them in a way that that work they are doing is not only for their source of earning. That is also, that work is also provide them uh, 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 opportunity to upgrade their skills, build themselves, and build the capacity of leadership. Leadership, like if you are able to help someone, like if you are able to help a person to complete his or her work, that I think that's a leadership. So that's a biggest challenge to build to make them realize you have that capability, you have that skill. And third, that I think is, you should be you and your team should have a common goal. Like if your department wants to bring down the rejection level, you all the members should work on towards that goal.
Okay, thank you very much. So ऐसे तो मुझे feedback, I would like to मतलब I would like you to see the recording again, and बहुत जगह पे you just missed the question. जो तुमसे पूछा जा रहा है उस पर ध्यान नहीं दे रहे हो. यू आर टॉकिंग लॉट मेनी गुड थिंग्स व्हाइल आंसरिंग, बट वो हम पूछ ही नहीं रहे. ठीक है. और जैसे एकदम लास्ट की बात करें, आई टोल्ड यू व्हाट आर द चैलेंजेस व्हाइल वर्किंग इन अ टीम. सो लॉट मेनी चैलेंजेस दैट यू काउंटेड, मतलब जो एक दो तीन जो तुमने बताया वो बेसिकली उस चीज से ज्यादा रिप्रेजेंट करता है कि टीम, जैसे व्हाइल यू आर लीडिंग अ टीम, एंड व्हाट इज द डिफिकल्टी यू फाइंड इन लीडिंग अ टीम या क्रिएटिंग अ टीम. इट्स अबाउट यू वर्किंग इन अ टीम. तो उसी चीज को तुम ऐसे अपने पर्सपेक्टिव से बता सकते थे कि व्हेन टीम हैज नॉट बीन इन, मतलब जो क्रिएटेड विथ सिमिलर, वो होता है कि डिफरेंट डाइवर्स बैकग्राउंड से होते हैं, तो उसकी एक यूनिटी और एक सिंक क्रिएट करने में दिक्कत होती है आपस में, मतलब यू एज अ टीम मेंबर. तो द आंसर यू गिव अस, यू एज अ टीम मेकर और टीम रनर. तो आई वाज नॉट आस्किंग इन दैट वे, है ना. तो उसके बाद एक तो अपनी कंपनीज के बारे में बहुत अच्छे से स्टडी कर लो, क्योंकि इट शोज अ वेरी लैक ऑफ अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ बिजनेस, है ना. आप बिजनेस में जाना चाहते हो, आप एचआर और इस सब में, तो थोड़ा बहुत उसको स्टडी कर लो, दोनों कंपनी के बारे में और दोनों इंडस्ट्री के बारे में. दूसरे वाले को तो मैंने पूछा नहीं कि उस मैग्नेट का क्या करते हैं, कितनी बड़ी इंडस्ट्री है, कॉम्पिटिटर्स क्या है, बट अपने पुराने कंपनी के कॉम्पिटिटर्स, अपने पुराने कंपनी की इंडस्ट्री, उसका ग्रोथ रेट. एंड दूसरा ये, सिंस यू आर एन इंजीनियर, आपको पता होना चाहिए कि जो सोलर पैनल का चीपनेस के लिए इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन का कोई बहुत बड़ा रोल नहीं था. जो उसके चिप्स बनते हैं, दैट उसकी स्केल जो है वो बहुत बड़े स्केल में बनती है, तभी सस्ता होता है. and that chip has been, they have been using in different other places also. तो जो वॉल्यूम ऑफ चिप है वो बहुत हाई है. बाकी पैनल का तो कोई ऐसा नहीं कि बनाने में बहुत पैसा लगेगा. समझ रहे हो.
एक्चुअली सर वही था, तो मैं समझ नहीं पा रहा था उसको मैं कैसे जस्टिफाई करूँ, तो मैंने सोचा
जस्टिफाई क्या, आपको बोलना तो पड़ेगा. इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन बोलने तो तुम और गलत कर दिए ना while justifying. तो कई जगह पे जो ओवरऑल वो है तुम्हारा क्वेश्चन, थोड़ा ध्यान से सुना करो, ठीक है. और जैसे फ्लक्स वगैरह जो है, वो तुम उसी पैनल में काम करते हो, तुम्हें सब पता होना चाहिए. मतलब एक एक चीज अपने उस प्रोडक्ट की डिटेल और सर्विस की डिटेल पता होना चाहिए, वरना इससे क्या होता है कि
सर मैं यूनिट याद था, मैं शायद भूल गया, मेरे दिमाग से निकल
जो
गया.
भी है उसको रिवाइज कर लो. मॉक इंटरव्यू देने का यही तो फायदा है ना, कि आपको पता होता है कि हम कहाँ कहाँ मिस कर रहे हैं. ठीक है. तो बाकी हम इसको रिकॉर्ड कर देंगे, रिकॉर्ड कर दिए, अपलोड कर देंगे, और ऑफ कोर्स आई विल कीप इट मतलब प्राइवेट. थोड़े देर के लिए पब्लिक करेंगे, तुम डाउनलोड कर लेना. और
मत कीजिए ना.